Hey,
Yeah,
I
Jack.
don't have to.
I'm checking up here.
Do if you want.
Just to make sure.
Some wings sound good.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, see, we all got bonus
Sleep.
there.
Eventually, sometimes. Oh, I almost slipped and slid all over the
Dang
place.
it, who am I gonna play FF with?
Ah, I took 2 hits.
Not you.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Are you gonna be gone all day?
Yeah, I'll be gone till tomorrow.
Nuts. That's a 3, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't say naughty language.
I said nuts. Oh, I almost got crunched. Hold on, fellers.
Nuts are a very good vitamin.
They're good fats.
Okay, they are good.
They are good protein.
Very
They're
good.
Humber, where's the grub? You just can't help yourself, can you?
Sorry.
Okay, but this time show a little self-control.
Good
Fats.
omega-3 fatty acids and some good protein, but
we
don't
make
eat
it
too
up
many
here?
of them because they're also a lot of
We
calories.
cannot make it up there.
They are a lot of calories.
I mean,
Can we go down?
If you're trying to be a big bodybuilder,